Assalamu alaikum, Engineer Shahzad Hashim here. Today we are diving deep into the most anticipated AI video generator of the year, Google Veo 3. In this extended tutorial, we'll cover everything from getting free access to mastering complex prompts that produce cinematic results. Veo 3 is Google's latest breakthrough in generative video AI, capable of creating high quality, high resolution cinematic content from simple text prompts. It doesn't just make videos, it understands cinematic language, from lighting and textures to complex camera movements that look incredibly realistic. With enhanced resolution and temporal consistency, Veo 3 ensures that your characters and environments remain stable and sharp throughout the entire clip. One of its best features is the level of control you get. You can specify camera shots like wide angle, tracking, or even cinematic pans with precision. The workflow is designed for creators, allowing you to iterate on your prompts and refine the visual style until it perfectly matches your vision. Now, let's talk about how you can access this for free. Currently, Google is making Veo 3 available through the Google AI Studio platform. Simply log in with your Google account. You might need to join a waitlist, or you may already have access to the experimental features tab. While there are daily generation limits in the free tier, it's a fantastic way to experiment and learn the tool without any upfront cost. To get the best results, be specific, use descriptive adjectives, and mention the lighting, camera angle, and the mood you want to achieve. Instead of just saying a cat, try a majestic ginger cat walking through a sun drenched library in a trekking side profile shot. Details matter. Veo 3 also supports various artistic styles. You can go from hyper realistic photography to stylized animation with just a few keyword changes. When compared to other tools, Veo 3 stands out for its deep integration with Google's ecosystem and its ability to follow long, complex instructions. Since it's cloud based via AI Studio, you don't need a powerful GPU at home. Any standard laptop or even a tablet can handle the process. You can even draft prompts on your mobile device while you're on the go and check the results later on your desktop. Don't forget about negative prompts. You can tell the AI what not to include, like no motion blur or no lens flare to get a cleaner look. Try focusing on textures. Words like velvet, rough stone, or glossy finish help the model understand the physical properties of objects. Mentioning lighting like volumetric lighting, golden hour, or neon glow can dramatically shift the mood of your video. Veo 3 supports multiple aspect ratios. Use 16 by 9 for YouTube, 9 by 16 for shorts, or even 1 by 1 for Instagram posts. Once your video is ready, exporting is simple. You can download your clips in standard formats ready for your favorite video editor. Whether you use Premiere Pro, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve, Veo 3 clips blend seamlessly into any professional or casual project. The model learns from user feedback. If a clip isn't perfect, you can refine your prompt and generate a new version in seconds. Google is already hinting at future updates, including multi character consistency and even longer generation times. I highly recommend joining the Google AI community forums. There are so many creators sharing their prompt recipes and techniques there. Think about the possibilities: creating custom B roll for your YouTube videos, social media ads, or even short films right from your desk. The barrier to entry for high end video production has never been lower. Your imagination is now your only limit. Technically, Veo 3 handles high frame rates and standard aspect ratios, making it perfect for both TikTok portraits and YouTube landscapes. We are just at the beginning of the AI video revolution. Tools like Veo 3 are setting the standard for what's coming next in 2026 and beyond. Google also emphasizes safety, using digital watermarking and filters to ensure that AI content is created and used responsibly. So go ahead and explore Google AI Studio today. Start creating, keep experimenting, and don't forget to share your creations with the world. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.